there and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Paper Haven. My name is Julie Sutcliffe and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK. And this is card number 5, which is part of my Christmas Stamper Stack online. It's the 29th of July. You could be watching on replay. If you are, please do leave me a comment. I would love to know where you are from. So we are going to make card number 5. Now, for those of my customers who have bought a kit, you will need the last 2 remaining pieces of Misty Moonlight card, and you will also need another piece of basic white. Now, you will actually need 2 pieces for this card. Okay, you did get 6 in total. You will need 2 pieces for this card. All right, and we're going to do the inside as well, but we're going to do a little bit of decoration with those scraps that we have. And you can do this with any of the cards. It doesn't just have to be this one. So let's crack on. We are going to take our Misty Moonlight card, pop it in portrait or vertical, and we are going to score at 10.5 centimeters. Now, this is a pre-recorded video. You can pause it, you can drag the cursor back and rewind if you missed something, but I should be on here on the live chat along with some of my customers too. We're then going to cut, I've cut that, I flipped it and cut it at 14.8. Now, to be honest, my ladies who were doing this class should have made quite a few cards this morning, so these measurements should now be becoming quite familiar to you. I'm only making 1 card. You will need to repeat that if you're going to make 4 cards. Now, I need to just check my measurements. Okay, we are now going to cut the card for the front. And this is 8.5. 8.5 and flip it and cut it at 12.8. 8.5 by 12.8, and that is the piece for there for the front of the card. We also need to cut a piece of card. You obviously need to do that 4 times. That's why we need 2 pieces of white for this card. You then need to take your other piece of card and cut it at 10 by 14.3. Finally, we are going to take the paper for the front. Now, I've used that one with the trees and the fencing. I might use a different one for this. Let's see if I've got another one that I've used this one. I'm just going to see if there's another one that might work. I'd use that one. That's not as Christmassy. And you could use this one actually. That could be nice. That could work nice. But I'll stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Okay. So this needs to now be 8 centimeters. So I'm just going to cut it from the left. 8 centimeters. And I'm going to cut from the bottom by 12.3. So we're basically cutting to the bottom of the fence, 8 by 12.3. It's a dead easy one, this one. Okay, so we have card base, white card for the front, paper for the front, and this for the inside. Plus, remember those little scraps we had? Well, you can use those inside the card. I've got a few here. Oh, and look at that one. It's the exact width because we cut it to 10. Okay, so I'm going to use the Season's Greetings, because it just fits on nicely on the top of that card. Just fits on there. Oh, perfecto. So there we go, that's going to go there. And then inside I've stamped, may the peace of the season light your world, and may your new year be the brightest. Let's have a look at that. This one here. So I'm going to stamp that for the centre of my card. There we go. Now, I've not used any wet glue so far today, but I think I am going to now, because I'm going to glue on this little scrap of paper, and it's quite small. So I'm just going to take a bit of this. It's just little dabs. Hang on a minute. It's nearly done, is this one, but there we go. Hang on. Let me see if I've got another one. Oh, I should store them upside down, but I have them in my bag. There we go. Okay. So I'm just going to pop that just along the bottom. There's a little bit of, just a little bit of interest on the inside of the card. Okay. And then I'm going to stick this to the white piece that we cut. And then that can go on the front of the card. I think my seal is about to reach its end. I like a nice big border at the moment on my cards. That's the vibe I'm going for. And then just going to add that to the inside. And if you're crafting along, you of course need to do this 4 times. Now, if you've enjoyed my videos, I'll put a link on, but in the description of my videos, there is a link to buy me a coffee. It's a nice little website where you can sort of leave a tip. It's a secure website where you can leave a tip in lieu of the videos that I do. Give away in effect for anybody to watch. I rarely do closed classes, but there is card number 5 here, and for the last card I will be back live on Facebook and YouTube at 1:45 p.m. UK time. I hope to see you then for the final card, card 6. See you then.